Central from Rift Valley Region, entry number 3, forming under class 276. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we want to move to another program briefly. And I want to invite Mr. Franklin Etiang, Chairman, Technical Committee, to run through the next session. Karibu sana, Mr. Franklin Etiang.
Your Excellency, the Chief Guest, the Governor of Meru County, Honorable Reverend Isaac Mutuma, the Director General, Minister of Education, Dr. Elias Abdi, the National Executive Committee, distinguished partners, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, we now shift briefly to our opening ceremony, and I would like to ask that we rise for the national anthem. It will be led by Reverend Flowers Matthew Secondary School. Thank you, Lawi Matthew. I request that we remain standing for a word of prayer. We have Naneo Kijape from Olola Imutia Primary School coming to say the prayer.
Tufunge macho na tuombe. Baba yetu aliye mbinguni, tunasema asante kwa ajili ya utukufu wako mama Bwana. Tunakushukuru jina lako Jehova, maana kuna Mungu aliyo kama wewe. Asante kwa ajili ya performance mama Bwana, tunaweka mkononi mwako mama Bwana. Asante kwa ajili ya educators mama Bwana, tunaweka mkononi mwako mama Bwana. Hata kwa ajili ya gavana yetu mama Bwana, tunaweka mkononi mwako mama Bwana. Tunasema asante, maana kuna Mungu aliyo kama wewe. Baba, tunakushukuru jina lako Jehova, katika jina la Yesu, amen.
Thank you, Your Excellency. We may be seated. I'd like now to take this opportunity to invite the guest artists. We have, Your Excellency, we have 2 guest artists coming to present. One is Melody McKenna. He is leading the Alabaster Festival team. He is a recording artist and a worship leader. She is also a civil servant. Melody McKenna, please take the stage.
Our chief guest, the Governor of Meru County, Honorable Mutuma Ntwepinkia, all distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We are going to do a song that I wrote called Yesu Jinabora. I pray that you will be blessed. This is the Alabaster team. holds Alabaster Festival every year. Jina lililo bora, jina lililo zuri, jina lipitalo majina yote. Jina lipitalo majina yote. Jina lililo bora, jina lililo zuri, jina lipitalo majina yote. Lipitalo majina yote. Jina lililo lililo lipitalo majina yote. Lipitalo majina yote. Jina lililo jina lililo majina yote. Lipitalo majina yote. Lililo lililo lipitalo majina yote. Lipitalo majina yote. Jina Yesu, jina Yesu, jina Yesu, jina yote. Jina Yesu, jina la kuokolewa kwalo, la kuinuliwa kwalo, la kubarikiwa kwalo ni jina Yesu. Jina la kuokolewa kwalo, la kuinuliwa kwalo, la kubarikiwa kwalo ni jina, jina, jina kwalo, kwalo, kubarikiwa kwalo. Thank you.
Let's appreciate Melody and her team again. Tuwapigie makofi tafadhali. Coming next is Mwenda Gishuru. Mwenda is a gospel award-winning artist and the founder of Nation Worships International. He's a live performing worship artist. Mwenda, makofi ya Mwenda tafadhali.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mwenda Gishuru, as you've heard. I'm a gospel minister and I'm here to bless you. Thank you.
Nambari moja nikakata tamaa. Jamani, hiyo Bwana akaja kanigusa, nikasimama nikaanza kutembea. Asante Bwana, mwonokia wako, nimetambua kwamba nimekupata. Nisaidie kwa makofi. Asante Bwana, mwonokia wako, nimetambua kwamba Jamani, tuimbe kila mtu nafasi yote moyoni. Nimeshaipa kwa Yesu, ni namba moja. Tusimame kidogo tu tafadhali, naomba tafadhali.
Kama hujaguswa uko na shida. Kama hujaguswa uko na shida.
Kwa Yesu ni namba moja. Tuimbe kila mtu mara mwisho, one more time. Nafasi yote moyoni nimeshaipa kwa Yesu, ni namba moja. Makofi kidogo kila mtu tuone. Hey. Kama unapenda Yesu jamani, kila mtu.
To take us from there.
Thank you, Your Excellency, Honorable Reverend Isaac Mudama, the Meru County Governor, who is also my brother-in-law for those who don't know. Our Director General, Dr. Elia Zabdi, the Head of Directorate, Mr. Nelson Sifuna, our Chairman, Professor Boss Johnston Angaga Ngala, the Representative of Equity, Mr. Peter Muturi, all the directors present, the Head of Directorate, the County Commissioner Meru County. May I take this opportunity to welcome you all to the 97th Kenya Music Festival under the theme Enhancing Creative Economy through Artistic Expression for Sustainable Development. This theme was well chosen, basing on where we are heading as a country with competency-based education and as we try to monetize our talent. Your Excellency, this festival started from sub-county to county to regional up to the national. Kenya Music Festival is loved in all the institutions. Each and every institution in this country participated in one way or another. A few teams you are seeing here at the national are a few selected from each and every region. As we are here in Meru, we have all the 47 counties represented, and we are very happy. Meru has presented us with a wonderful weather. Some people are freezing. I have seen people wearing things I have never seen before. We are looking like Eskimos. So I am normally very strict with the protocol, but I have toned down because even me, I am dressed from head to. So thank you so much. We love Meru County. I want to thank the county commissioner. We've had all the security issues well arranged. I want to thank your officer. Everything we presented in the wish list, we have all been given. Asante sana. Meru people are good. Tunashukuru sana. May I now take this opportunity to welcome the chairman, Kenya Music Festival. The chairman will take over program from here. I don't know where we have all the principals from the 3 host institutions.
Are the principals here? Mr. Mwende? Principal Kaga Girls? Okay. Thank you very much. Let me invite here, before I make my remarks, the County Director of Education, Meru County. It's not there. Okay. Thank you very much. Allow me to proceed then. Your Excellency, the Governor of Meru County, the Director General, Minister of Education, Dr. Abdi Elias, and the Director, Field Coordination and Co-Curricular Activities, Directors of Education herein present, the County Commissioner of Meru, Bwana Jacob, the Speaker, the CEC in charge of Education, Madam Executive Secretary, and the National Executive Committee. Now, since 1927, the Kenya Music Festival has flourished in all dimensions. Initially, it was dominated by Western music, but after attaining our right for self-determination in 1964, Africanization processes began in earnest. These processes involved introduction of African music instruments, African folk songs and folk dances, training and engagement of African adjudicators and choir directors, recruitment of African choristers, and use of African languages in works of composition. These processes have culminated into the great Kenya Music Festival that we have today. Your Excellency, the Governor, as we convene here for the 97th Kenya Music Festival, we celebrate many milestones. Under the leadership of the Director General of Education, we now have 600 competitive classes. 2, the festival is 60% African, whereby more music, more dances, more elocution items are African in nature, making it the largest African music extravaganza in the globe. We now have a validated adjudication tool for each category of this festival, or in this festival. We have incorporated an international conference that brings out the academic angle of the non-formal aspects of this festival. The conference is the nexus between theory and practice. So, in the year 2025, we are scheduled to present about 25 papers in 2 days. The participants increased up to 140,000 at the national level alone in the year 2024. And we now have a whopping number, or rather total population of 100 adjudicators in 2025. Almost all genres of music, elocution, and dance are now included in this festival. It is a festival that involves African, Occidental, Oriental, and Anglo-Semitic cultures. Management of this festival is structured with a national committee superintending the entire process. The regional, county, and sub-county committees run the preliminary festivals. Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and financial management are executed with finesse under the leadership of the Director, Field Coordination and Co-Curricular Activities. The festival is organized in such a way that it reflects what is taught in class. KMF being the non-formal platform for practical application of what is taught in class. It is important to note that as the government continues to implement the new competency-based education. KMF, Kenya Music Festival, that is, provides the necessary platform for applying what is learned in class in the creative arts track. Special needs education classes are even more entrenched in the festival, with more children with special needs now participating. Guided by the inclusive education policy, learners with special needs effectively participate with regular learners, rather compete with regular learners. In order to prepare our teachers, directors, composers, and conductors to participate effectively in the festival, the government organized a national adjudicators and trainers workshop in February 2025. And this was followed by regional, county, and sub-county workshops in that order. This year alone, the national workshop was able to train up to 1,000 participants in all levels. The number of universities, sir, participating in the festival has increased geometrically. For this reason, I wish to thank the PS State Department of Higher Education for our role in helping the universities to participate. Our partners have done us proud on matters provision of necessary resources. The Sports, Arts and Social Development Fund, Equity Group, Communications Authority, KICD, the Brook, Uraia, Kenya Wildlife Services, KUPS, SEPU, the Embassy of the Federal Republic of Germany, KRA, the AA, Alupe University, Kenya Cultural Center, Jubilee, Amref, Coca-Cola, among others. Allow me, sir, our guest of honor, to thank the patron of this festival, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya and the Commander of the Kenya Defense Forces, Dr. William Samoei Arap Ruto. The Cabinet Secretary, the PS in charge of basic education, the PS in charge of higher education and research, and the PS in charge of TVET. The Director General of Education today seated here, Dr. Elias Abdi, the Governor of Meru County, the Director in charge of field coordination and co-curricular activities, the political class seated here, the National Executive Committee, the principals of the Meru School, the Kaga Girls and the Meru TTC, and all the principals of the participating teams. I want to return special gratitude to the County Commissioner, Bwana Jacob Huma, for providing security services. Thank you very much. As we begin this festival, I urge all trainers to do their best to prepare our children. It is not competition per se. It is social learning, where we learn from each other. You are already winners, our students, for it is not easy to get to the national level. To our teachers, thank you for working hard to bring our children to the national level. Please avoid immoral acts, treat students well, let them enjoy this festival. Let them learn from each other and from adjudicators. I urge the adjudicators to ensure that only the deserving winners get the coveted position 1. I want to thank most especially the Governor of Meru County for allowing us to be here. May God bless you all abundantly. At this point in time, let me now invite our leader, the Director, Field Coordination and Co-Curricular Activities, Bwana Nelson Sifuna. But as he comes, just come, my brother, come kubwa wangu kuja tu. Allow me to invite just before him, as he waits here, the Director and Equity Bank Head of Marketing, Mr. Peter Muturi. Please come and precede our leader here in speaking.
Okay, riding on already established protocols, His Excellency the Governor Isaac Mutuma, DG Mr. Elias Abdi, the National Executive Committee and the leaders present, our dedicated teachers and talented learners and distinguished guests, good morning. Good morning. I know it's cold. Good morning. Good morning. Great. My name is Peter Muturi. I head marketing for Equity Bank. It is a pleasure. I'm actually a product of Music and Drama Festival back in the days. I won't mention how many years. Abdi, I will not ask you to mention how many years back. For me, the whole space has enabled me get to pivot my career to where I am, because I'm in the marketing space, which involves creative. So allow me to deliver greetings from Dr. James Mwangi, our group executive, and our managing director, Moses Jamanda. And today for us as Equity Bank, one of the things that we believe in, music and art are more important. It's not just a performance, yeah? One of the things that you'll get to see, it's a powerful expression. Today I felt challenged by the 80-year-olds who have presented a Kikuyu song. And I asked myself, when was the last time I actually presented or sang a Kikuyu song fluently? And that shows the kind of creativity that comes with it. As Equity Bank, this year we committed 25 million. And it's not just committing, it's ensuring that we are actually empowering the creative and arts economy. And as we invest, we are looking forward, how do we impact the youth positively? How do we create and empower the gig economy, which is the passion for this young generation, and it's key for us as a business. And even as a brand, we believe that we should leverage on the talent that we see here to be able to tell our brand stories, and that's one of the things that we commit to do moving forward. And when I look at the theme this year, enhancing creative through artistic expression for sustainable development, it perfectly aligns to our theme as Equity Bank around, we are all about transforming lives and expanding opportunities for wealth creation. And the last couple of, I would say, months, we've worked together with the Kenya Music Festival from the county, from the grassroots level, all the way to the national level, to be able to get to here where we are. And one of the things that I've seen is dedication from the teachers and a lot of creativity across board, all the way to the farthest corner of this country. And what we've been able to do, we see a lot of talent across the different counties. So in addition to this, 12 million will actually go to cash prizes. I think we got the feedback last year, and one of the things is that there was no moral motivation to ensure that we deliver the cash prizes to the teachers, and that has been done. Is indeed that a good job? Yeah? Great. For us, it's not just about the sponsorship this time around. For the Ministry of Education, we continue to partner with you at a bigger scale, and we continue to actually work with you from also ensuring that schools are financially supported from any facility that the schools may need. And for the teachers, we offer tools that support them both financially and also at an affordable access point. And to the students and parents, we also ensure we provide financial solutions that ensure the students do not go home and they're actually well taken care of. And of course, we know schools don't run independently. We have suppliers that we also look after. So looking at that whole ecosystem, we are able to partner with you in that space. Because we know this, and as I close, when schools succeed, this is where the foundation of the community is. And when schools succeed, communities thrive. And when talent is nurtured, nations prosper. And one of the things when I look at this, our gig economy today is 80 billion. And this is the platform that we actually leverage on. And we need to look at how do we accelerate that moving into the future to be able to give our youth passion points that they're more passionate about. And as I close, a student performing on this stage today is not just an artist, they are a dreamer, a visionary, and a change maker in the making. These young people presenting to us today represent the future of the Kenya creative economy, and beyond that, the future of our growth and identity. The voices, the rhythm, the movements tell powerful stories of our culture that we get to learn today. At Equity Bank, we are proud to work alongside them, and not just as sponsors, but as partners, mentors, and champions of talent. The next generation of the Kenyan creative economy will not be overlooked, unsupported, and underrepresented. As Equity Bank, take this to the bank. We will continue supporting you. And it all begins right here in this stage, and in this festival, in the communities that we continue to believe in, power, and together with the Ministry of Education, let's continue building a brighter future for the creative space. Asanteni sana, and as I invite, I'll ask to deliver the check so that we can officially confirm. So I'll ask my colleagues to join me on stage, and then the DG, I'll ask you to receive on behalf of the national check that we had presented for 25 million. So I'll ask my colleagues to join me. Peter, Head of Education, please join me up on stage so that we can. Thank you very much. The Governor, you can please join us, His Excellency.
Tushangilie kwa makofi tafadhali kila mmoja. Milioni 25, 25 million Kenya shillings.
Thank you, Equity Bank. Apart from our main funder, Sports Fund, we really appreciate what you are doing. Your Excellency, the Governor Meru County, Reverend Isaac Mutuma, our representative of the Principal Secretary, Basic Education, represented here by the Director General, Dr. Elias Abdi, the Chairman and the Executive Committee of the Kenya Music Festival, all government officials present, officials from the County Government of Meru, honorable adjudicators, teachers in the room, musicians, ladies and gentlemen. Before I make my remarks, I want to run a very fast program. The first, we are in someone's house. I want to apologize that we did not invite him to officially allow us sit at peace in his house. So the host principal, you are invited.
Thank you, Director. Your Excellency, the Governor, our DG, allow me to write on the protocols that have already been established and say that in the interest of time, I want to use the opportunity to welcome you to Meru School. You've already sampled the school, you've already taken up the space, and I do not take a lot of time. I just want to say, welcome to Meru School. Our motto says, in understanding, be men. So, in case of anything, we still have the command post. You can come in. We will be there 24/7, so that in case of any assistance, we are ready to help. Dr. Amina and Director, feel at home. Thank you so much.
We can now breathe and walk around in the house because we have the permission. Colleagues, also, the arrangement that we are seeing around had a team that organized. And in the opening ceremony, it is only fair that we recognize them. And that is why I request the host regional director of education and thereafter the employer, the Teacher Service Commission, will also come. But I start with the host regional director of education. Thank you. Apart from this school, there are 3 others, Kahaga Girls and Meru TTC. Kindly, if you are around, just stand and wave, because Mwenda has spoken on your behalf. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Your Excellency Abdi, all other local and international guests. As I start here, 150,000 guests visiting Meru County is no mean feat. And I stand here on behalf of the education fraternity in Eastern Region to sincerely welcome you. We love you very much, and we are going to make your stay here comfortable. Meru is a land of plenty, a land of wonderful people. Eastern is very fast, with 8 counties, stretching from Moyare going to here. We appreciate all partners to nurture talent. God bless you. Thank you very much, my director.
Kindly, because before he goes to sit down, his duty was to introduce the team that is steered this.
Thank you for prompting. I kindly request the local organizing committee to stand up. Who are many. Kindly stand up. Our county commissioner, I know you are our member. Thank you very much. They did a fantastic job, and we are going to be here for all the days. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The local committee, you did your best. Your Excellency, also the trainers have an employer. And in such a forum, if I don't recognize the employer, they will feel we are not working as one. I ask the representative of the Teacher Service Commission around to come and make a few remarks.
Okay, thank you, sir. Our governor, our DG from the ministry, all distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I've been told to just wave and to allow you to note that TSC is also present. I'm aware that Madam Julie Ogoe and team are also here. Julie, where are you? Yeah, that's from the Teacher Service Commission headquarters. Phil at Meru. Thank you so much.
In the interest of time, I know we have unions here. Kindly understand. We will talk some other time. I want to appreciate and recognize the presence of Ministry of Education officials. At the sub-count level, do we have any sub-count director? Kindly stand. Thank you. We also have county directors of education, if you are here in the room. Thank you, we are represented. We have officers from the Ministry of Education, my fellow directors, and officers from the Ministry of Education headquarters. If you are here, please stand. Thank you, and I'm very sure we also have Teacher Service Commission. They were recognized. Let me make a few remarks, then I will invite the county commissioner to take the program from there. I wish to express our gratitude to you and the county government of Meru for agreeing to be our chief guest at this opening. In the same breath, I wish to also thank our host institutions, Meru School, Kaaga Girls, Meru TTC, and all the villages that are hosting our learners for providing space for our learners. I also want to thank the hotel industry. Your Excellency, they have agreed to lower their prices to the pocket of the teacher, and we have been able to be accommodated in all the hotels. But be assured, all your hotels are occupied. I wish to acknowledge the tremendous work done by the Executive Committee and the Secretariat of the Kenya Music Festival. Your Excellency, the two artists you saw here are the products of the Kenya Music Festival. It shows how far we have gone and what we can do in this country. Also, I wish to appreciate in a special way all boards of management of our various schools, the teachers and learners for working hard to produce the masterpieces that we are about to enjoy and presenting the teams here in Meru. This festival highlights the significance of arts and culture in shaping national identity, promoting creativity, and fostering social cohesion. The Kenya Music Festival plays a critical role in promoting musical talent, providing a platform for young artists, and contributing to the country's cultural heritage. I wish to acknowledge Meru's rich cultural heritage and its contribution to Kenya's diverse cultural landscape. The Njurinjeke is one of the long-standing cultural vestige of all time. The festival is focused on empowering youth through arts and culture, and Kenya Music Festival provides opportunities for young musicians to showcase their talents. I wish to appreciate the partners who have supported the Ministry of Education to this festival. Your Excellency, over 150,000 learners are going to take part to the stage over the next 10 days to entertain, educate, and inspire us. The learners in basic education will be hosted in 43 different, over 2,000 institutions. Buses will bring the learners here and will be fueling in your gas stations around here. Prepare for an economic boom. The festival will impact heavily on the local economy, tourism, and cultural exchange. I wish to recognize, which I've already done, all the Ministry of Education officials here. And now, Your Excellency, allow me invite, who will in turn invite our Director General. Thank you and God bless you.
Pinduka waone sura yako, pinduka waone sura yako. Basi wasalimie na wale wengine wako wapi? Basi wasalimie na wale wengine wako wapi? Asanteni. County, wale wengine wasimama, wananchi angalau County Epi Commander